Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro, and I'll show you all the box accessories what watch our device comes. So first let's open the box, and for the first thing which we can see, that is the SIM eject tool. Also you can find here the USB Type-C cable and the HUAWEI supercharger brick with all of the specs. Also here in this paper box, which is what is it? This is the quick start guide and the warranty card here, and also we can find here the protective silicone case in clear color. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories what watch our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.